Several lawmakers lauded the order of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. banning government officials and personnel from using sirens and blinkers. Senate Majority Leader Joel Villanueva says public officials should set an example to the public, especially when it comes to dealing with traffic.
Huwag na po tayong dumagdag pa sa kalbaryo ng ating mga kababayan na araw-araw tinitiis ang traffic sa iba't ibang parte ng lugar ng bansa, lalo na dito sa metro area.
While for Senator Grace Poe, government officials must lead the way in shunning abuse and display of entitlement on the road. Senator J.V. Ejercito also supported the president's move, noting that the use of sirens, blinkers, and escorts in a convoy has become a trend for government officials. But for presidential sister Senator Amy Marcos, several exemptions should be made, including the president himself.
Kasi hindi naman kasi practical. Halimbawa, kapag merong bisita, may state guest, or yung State of the Nation address, grabe talaga ang traffic at marami naman nagpo-protesta. Naintindihan naman natin kung yung Pangulo ay magagamit ng wangwang patungo sa Kongreso o di kaya yung bisita na opisyal from other countries should be given the courtesy of avoiding the traffic.
However, Senator Ronald De La Rosa believes ideally the president should be the first to be prohibited from using such.
Mas ideal nga kung pati ang Pangulo hindi gagamit, di ba? Unahin ang Pangulo. Lahat wala hindi gagamit ng wangwang. Imposible mangyari yan, imposible mangyari. Imposible dahil presidente, nasa protocol nila yan na kailangan talaga gumamit ng ganun.
But he is optimistic that government personnel and public officials will adhere to the directive, including himself.
Siguro, yung mga government officials susunod din yan. At kung nagmamadali ka, siguruhin mo para makarating ka, maaga ka dapat umalis sa bahay mo para hindi ka na makagamit ng wangwang. Minsan, gumagamit ako ng may motor na patrol, gumagamit ako, pero pagbabawal yan, hindi na tayo gagamit.
Harleen Delgado, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.